Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So in today's video we are going to be interacting with Lena Testnet. Their version 2 testnet is currently on. We did version 1 some months ago. However, before we get started, we are going to visit faucet.polygon.technology to claim some testmatic that we will be using as gas fee. So I'm going to put the links that you need in the comment section for your convenience. So to use Polygon Faucet, you need to first connect to your Discord to the website so that they can know that you are not a bot. Then after connecting, paste your MetaMask address and then claim the test tokens. I could not claim because I have enough Polygon in my wallet. If you have enough, you won't be able to claim from the faucet. So once you have claimed, we are going to open up our browser and then we are going to type test.lena.network. You will find the link to that in the comment section as well. So in version 2, we are going to be dealing with real world assets. So you're going to tap on that and you're going to connect your wallet. Choose MetaMask. Tap on next, and if you are not already on Polygon network, it is going to ask you to switch your network, so switch to Mumbai. Tap on switch network. So now you are going to tap on the sidebar menu by the right, and then you are going to tap on faucet. So what we want to do here is we want to claim the test tokens that we are going to be interacting with. So you are going to see this drop down, tap on it, and then choose from any of the available real world assets that you are going to use for the testing purpose. So we have just two. Choose the first one, then scroll to the bottom and then tap on mint. Confirm that in your MetaMask. Now go back to the drop down and then choose the second test token, DAI, and then tap on submit. Confirm that again in your MetaMask. Now scroll to the top of the home page and then make sure that you are on the deposit tab, and then you are going to tap on deposit DAI. So from the amount of test DAI that you have in your wallet, choose the quantity that you would like to deposit to liquidity. I have 1000, so I'll probably be depositing like half of what I have, so I'll choose 50%, and then you are going to tap on approve DAI. Then you're going to approve that in your wallet. Now when the approval is successful, then you are going to tap on deposit DAI, and then you are going to confirm the deposit in your wallet as well. Tap on confirm. Now scroll back to the top of the home page and then you are going to tap on borrows. After depositing your collateral into the liquidity pool, now you can take a loan. We are going to be borrowing DAI. And remember that I deposited 500 DAI into the liquidity. Tap on borrow. Let's see how much I can borrow here. Scroll to the bottom. And then I can borrow up to 4,914 DAI. Then choose the amount that you would like to borrow. I'll be borrowing, let's say, 25% of the amount I can borrow. That's 1,228 DAI. Then tap on Approve Debt Token. Then confirm that in your wallet. Confirm the borrow again in your wallet. Tap on confirm. Transaction successful. Now I will scroll back to the top of the home page. Now let's go back to the top of the home page. Now you can see that I just received 1000 candy for my interaction. So what you want to do is you want to ensure that you gain as much candy as you can, because the number of candies you have may determine how big your reward is going to be after the testnet. So in order to do that, make sure that you do this interaction, if you can, maybe once daily. If you can't do it once daily, then make sure that at least every week you do the testnet for as long as it lasts. Now tap on history and then tap on repay loans. We want to repay the loans that I took just now. Then you can see your loan history here. Tap on that card. So if you want to take more loans, you can tap on borrow more, but we are here to repay, so I'll tap on repay. Now you can choose how much from the amount of DAI that you borrowed that you would like to repay. Remember, I borrowed 1,228 earlier, so I can decide to repay the 100%. I can decide to not pay up to the 100% for now. So I'll be repaying 75% of the loan that I borrowed. Then tap on Approve DAI and then confirm that in your wallet. Tap on Approve. And then you are going to confirm your loan repayment as well in your wallet. Tap on Confirm. Loan repayment successful. Now let's go back to the home page and then we are going to be making some withdrawals. We want to withdraw some of the DAI we deposited earlier back into our MetaMask wallet. So here we are. Enter the amount of DAI that you would like to withdraw back into your MetaMask wallet and then tap on withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal in your wallet. Now withdrawal is successful. Lastly, if you encounter any bug while you are doing this testnet interaction, then scroll to the bottom and then tap on bug bounty. Here it is going to lead you to a Google form and then you can explain whatever type of bug that you experienced while you are doing the testnet interaction. But make sure that you only fill the form if you encounter any bug. While filling the form, try and back up your submission with screenshots as proof of the bug you have found, or even a short video if possible. So that is the end of today's video. If you have any questions, drop me a comment under this comment section or join me on Telegram. If you have found value in any of my content, make sure that you give me a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on any future updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in another tutorial.